Okay guys, I have a super exciting video now. You're already going to know what this is about because you'll have seen the thumbnail and the title and everything. But I got a new camera. Oh, my nails are different by the way, but never mind, that's fine. We don't care about that. I'm going to open it straight away. I'm literally just unboxing it right now on camera. I don't know how I managed to like wait, but I have. Oh, my memory card's downstairs. I was probably going to need charging first anyway, but I just wanted to unbox it and then I'll whack it on charge and then obviously I'll be back. So for you guys, you won't even notice that I've gone. But let's open it up. So excited. Let me move back a bit so you can see a bit better. Let's put it on here. There we go. Right, you can see a bit better now. Oh. So, guys, you don't even understand. Wow, there's a lot of like stuff going on here. This is the EOS 200D, also known as the EOS something else, SL something. I'll tell you when I come back after the break. But let's just open it up. So I do have the 70D, it's what I'm filming on right now, but I really wanted to get, not necessarily a new vlogging camera, I love my Canon G7X, but I really want to up my vlog game this year, and I wanted to get some good pictures. Obviously the 70D is really good for that, but I use that for filming, it's always mounted there. I just wanted to be able to keep it there and not have to worry about it. Also, it's heavy. It's a big camera. And this is supposed to be the smallest DSLR that Canon have made. It's quite new and it's white. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It's tiny. This compared to the 70D, this is small. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I actually love it. Like, I could actually vlog with this. It's not that much heavier than my... Where is my G7X? I don't know where my G7X is. It might be in my bag. But it's not that much heavier. Oh, it is in my bag. I remember now. Yeah. I'm not even in focus, I don't think. Am I at the moment? Sorry, guys. I'm too excited. Okay, but look how cute it is. I'm just going to show you it straight up. Straight out of the box, guys. We've got our little... Oh my god, I love it. I actually... No, you don't understand. I love it so much. Now, I'm going to leave this video as an unboxing. I want to write a blog post on this little girl. This is my little girl. This is my big guy. This is my little girl. She's beautiful. Tell her she is beautiful. Oh my god, you don't understand. Let's find the lens because the lens matches the colour of the camera. Battery. What else do we have in here? Obviously we've got the plug for the battery charger, which is here. So we've got the plug for the wow, this wow. Why is that so big? Let's open it up. You guys want to see everything, right? Of course you do. Oh no, it's not that big. It's quite a big battery pack. So that obviously, that attaches to that. So we're going to plug those two in. Do it on camera. Why not? Do it on camera. I'm dark and I've moved a bit further back, aren't I? Because obviously the light's not as close. I will move further forwards once I've got everything out of the box, but I just want to actually be able to show you me taking it out of the box. I don't normally do that. And yeah, I wanted to. So there we go. I just wish everything was in focus, but it's not. So this plugs into this, just for anyone who doesn't know. And then the battery goes in here and we plug that into the outlet in the wall of the house, or in my case the extension lead, because I have so many plugs. I'm so excited. So yeah, so as I was saying, this is just going to be a full-on unboxing. I'm going to open everything, but I want to do a blog post. Oh, I want to do a blog post on this camera. I think this is going to be the new thing. Could be wrong. But I think this is going to be the new thing. You know how at the moment the G7X, well, the G7X is one of the cameras everybody would say is like the best vlogging camera, etc, etc. I want to see if this can live up to like the bigger DSLRs as the best blogging camera and the best camera for bloggers. As in, like, if you think of a beauty blogger, most beauty bloggers are girls. We like girly things. This is gorgeous. Like, even just the look of it is beautiful. It's white, which is very uncommon. Most DSLRs are black. This one's white. You can get it in black though. You can get this in black or silver. And I don't know. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to do a blog post on it. And let's see if this is up to the challenge to be the camera that I can walk around the house like this and vlog with it, because it's really not that heavy and not that big, and be the camera where you can get some really, really good photos for your blog. This is what I'm thinking, guys. This is my idea and my plan and my idea behind this whole thing. This isn't going in right. I don't feel like that's in right. Let's see if it works. Oh God. Oh, it's working. Right, so while that's charging, let's look at everything else in here. So we've got, oh, strap. I'm going to use this because, like I say, this isn't going to be my sit down and film camera. This beautiful Canon Eos 70D, I love it. I don't know, is he a guy or is he a girl? I think they're all girls. I think we're just a girl squad. We're just a girl squad. But if you're a guy, don't worry about it. I love you too. I'll attach this later. You guys don't want to see me attach that. Let's get into the exciting bit, the lens. This is not that exciting. It's just a kit lens. When I got my Canon 70D, I got the... See, I didn't do this with the Canon 70D, I don't think, did I? But I thought, this is a new camera and there's not that much on it. And there's not that many straight up unboxings of normal people. A lot of it's like techie people who are unboxing it and talking about it. I'm not a techie person, I'm just a normal person who wants to use it for YouTube and my blog. So there we go. This is the Canon, this is the 18 to 55mm, and it is a 3.5 to 5.6 f-stop. And this is the one that came with the 70D. Now, Canon have made a new 18 to 55mm lens to go with the newer cameras, and this is what it looks like. So obviously she's grey because she's to go with a white camera, but as you can see, it is a bit smaller as well. So smaller and not as low of an f-stop. This lens is more expensive. I haven't really figured all this out yet. I have like watched videos and stuff about it. But this lens has a lower f-stop, but it's more expensive. No, not as low of an f-stop. This is a 4 to 5.6 rather than a 3.5 to 5.6. If you're keeping up with me. In my head, I thought that would mean that it would be cheaper because it doesn't go as low, which means you're not going to get as much background blur. But nonetheless, I'm hoping we can get a good shots with this bad boy. Girl. She's a girl. She's definitely a girl. So let's whack this on. Now, the 200D does use... Where's my little dot? The 200D does use the same lenses as the 70D. Oh, well, all the other main Canon DSLRs. Ah, oh, look. I mean, this is still a big lens. This is... I'm glad that it's not as big as this one, but it is still big. Look. I have a pancake lens on here now. I'm using the... Well, I say it's a pancake lens. It's the Canon 24mm, and it's very small. I've also got the 50mm, which isn't probably really much smaller than this. I think I will be using the 50mm for some pictures. I'll see how this one works. I would love to just be able to keep this one on it. But I've got 50mm, which will take some really good pictures with some really good bokeh, etc, etc. So, let me come closer to you. Let me come closer, my darlings. This is what she looks like out of the box. You've watched me physically unbox this beautiful creature. I just want to use it now. I don't want to wait for it to charge. I love it. Honestly, I do love it. I don't know whether to make this... No, I'm going to do a full-on review video. This is purely an unboxing. Do you know what? I'm not even going to show you anything more than just this. just what I've shown you right now. I'm gonna do, I want to make a blog post like I said, and a full-on video after I've used this. It will be coming soon. I don't need to use this for too long to know that I love it. Does that make sense? I need to try it out, do some filming on it, do, you know, maybe I might do a vlog on it, a vlog using it, and take some pictures with it. I want to know how heavy it is once you've been holding it for a while. I've got the strap, so I'm going to probably use it as a strap. I'm going to test it out. I'll test it with this lens, I'll test it with the 50mm lens, I might test it with this lens, and then I will do a full-on review video. And I do think it will probably come, I mean, I've not even scheduled this video yet. But what I will do for you guys, I will make sure this video goes up, the review video goes up the week after this video, so that you're not waiting ages for the review. I'll get the blog post written, and I'll get that video up the week after. So I'll sort all that out after I've said goodbye to you guys right now. I'll sort that out, I'll plan it, and I'll put what's going to go where. I'm trying to be a lot more organised this year, guys, and that's why I got this camera. I really want to work on my blog. I want to have my blog and my videos go together. It's got a flash, but it won't let me turn it. It won't let me put it up because it's not turned on. Ooh, I can see that out of the just can't focus it, but yeah, so far I'm impressed. I think she's beautiful. I really wanted a smaller camera, and I was even considering mirrorless, but I did look at some of Canon's mirrorless cameras as well, the ones that have interchangeable lenses, and I just thought, you know what, for pretty much the same price I can get a DSLR, and this is the smallest DSLR, and she is a lot smaller than the 70D, definitely. But yeah, still really easy to hold, it's got everything going on. I'm so excited to use it, I'm so excited. So yes, right guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to leave it here. You've seen a physical unboxing. I have looked on YouTube, I've wanted to watch these videos, I've looked all over. There are videos of people unboxing this, but they are usually, like I say, tech people. A lot of them seem to not be in English as well, like China and places like that. I guess they do. Do they get technology before us? I don't know. I don't know, but I'm really excited. I'm really, really, really excited about this. Do you know what? I'm excited about my life improving. Not improving, but just being, I'm excited about growing and being better and being more organised, getting more work done, growing IdleGirl, and I'm just really excited. And this is going to help me do that. And you know what? I'd love it if it was good for vlogging as well. So we're just going to have to wait and see, guys, aren't we? Anyway, I've rambled on a lot, but I think at least this video is a little more informative than a lot of the ones I have seen. Like you've physically seen me take it out, put the lens on, show you it, talk a little bit about it, talk about obviously the difference in the lenses. It's something that I was confused about when I saw it. I thought, well, I'll get it without the body. Wait, without the body? I'll get the body only because I've already got this lens. I was like, I don't want that lens again. I don't want that lens again. Then I realised that actually it is a different lens. It's a much more newer lens, and it is smaller, which is good because obviously the reason I wanted a small camera was I didn't want this big massive lens on it, did I? And obviously it's colour matching as well, which is perfect. So yes, you can get this in black, white or silver. The silver one has like a brown bit there. It's very classic. It's nice as a silver. But I just really wanted to get the white. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. You're going to be seeing a lot more from this little girl coming very, very soon, and hopefully, like I said, the blog post and the review video will be up very soon too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you're looking at buying this camera, I hope it kind of gave you a little bit of insight at least to what comes in the box. Obviously, for me, I literally just bought the camera with the lens, with the kit lens. Sorry guys, the bank just rang me. What a nightmare. But yeah, anyway, can't really remember what I was saying, but I'm pretty sure I was just ending the video. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, I would love it for you to hit that subscribe button. Come and join my squad. And especially if you want to see more on this little girl right here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!